Vinyl windows are one of the most cost-effective, beautiful, and easy ways to get new windows for your house. There are some disadvantages to vinyl. One of the biggest issues with vinyl windows is essentially the size limitations. You can only do certain sizes of vinyl windows, and part of that is because of the rigidity, the strength of the actual vinyl itself. A lot of the strength is going to come from the glass. The rigidity will come from the glass. There's a lot of great vinyl windows out there that have steel reinforcements, fiberglass reinforcements between the frames, and that's great. That makes things way more rigid. But there are some vinyl windows that are out there that they don't use much of that. They feel a little wonky. So imagine trying to build a 16-foot wide window or a picture window with just that and glass. You're gonna have problems immediately. It's just not gonna work out right. So you have to go into other style of material, you know, whether it be wood or it be the big one is going to be aluminum. Very, very strong, so you can build big stuff. So when it comes to vinyl windows, they're great for price, they're great for warranties, they're great for performance, they're great for looks, all of that, they're great. But there are the limitations. Size is the limitation. I would basically say, if you really want big, gigantic windows, you probably live in a house on the top of a hill or have ocean views, and in that case, you're probably not gonna use a vinyl window system. You're probably gonna wanna use some type of a high-grade aluminum window. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you go to the comments. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thanks guys for watching. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.